How to fix YouTube is not available in this region error. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix YouTube is not available in this region error. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step is open up your settings. After you're on your settings, scroll down and search for General. Open General up and scroll down again. There you'll find an option that says VPN and device management. Tap on it and make sure that you're not connected to any VPN. If you are connected to any VPN, make sure that you turn it off and disconnect. After you do that, you can then head over to your transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on reset and reset your network settings. After you do that, you can head back again and then head over to your app store. After you're on your app store, simply search for your YouTube. So search for YouTube, and after you search for YouTube, if you see an update button available like this, tap on update and update the app completely. After you update the app, you can head over to your YouTube and you can log in into your account and then start using your YouTube like normal. And that's how you fix the issue, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.